Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Hyundai Accent GLS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.